It's that time again, that time of the day when we do the daily quiz. This is daily quiz number 26. Alrighty. So we had a good day today so far. It's about 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And as you can see, it's getting warmer out, getting a little brighter. I don't have to put the lights on anymore when I do this video. Okay, let's get to the quizzes and the answers. Yesterday I left you with the question, what is a roux? R-O-U-X. A roux is used for thickening sauces. Now you have an equal amount of flour, an equal amount of clarified butter. You put the butter in the pan first at a medium heat. Let it melt. Whisk in the flour a little at a time. And you could have different colored roux. You could have a white roux. You wouldn't whisk it so long or cook it so long or fry it so long or heat it so long. That's better. You have a blonde roux and you have a brown roux. Just depends how long you cook it. All right. You use clarified butter because the milk and solids have been taken out of it. There's more fat in it, so it has a higher temperature in which it melts. So it doesn't brown or burn too quick. You don't want to burn the butter, right? When it's on the heat. All right. You want that butter to gradually, as you whisk the flour in, you don't want it to burn and it gives not a very nice smell, or it ruins the sauce. And as it cooks, you get a nutty flavor out of it, from the flour and that. Which brings me to today's quiz. There's other kind of thickeners as well. There's one that uses egg yolks, eggs and flour. I believe that's a liaison, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so today's quiz, kind of a segue from the roux. There's 5 mother sauces in classical French cuisine. There's a bechamel sauce, which is a creamy sauce, white in color. There's the velouté, which is from chicken stock, okay, or vegetable stock, which is medium in color. Okay, it's not white, it's not dark, it's in the middle. A chicken velouté, for instance, you've seen that on a menu. You've got the Espagnole sauce, which is a brown sauce, and that's where, things like, dark sauces are thickened with, like a dark roux, for instance, a brown roux. And it's the Espagnole sauce or brown sauce is the mother of, let's say, the Chaussure sauce, and you can make different sauces with it. It's usually for game and meats, right? You've got the tomato sauce, all right, and you've got the Hollandaise sauce. Okay, you've got 5 different mother sauces there. You've got the bechamel, velouté, Espagnole, brown sauce, tomato sauce, and the Hollandaise sauce. Now, my question to you is, which of these 5 sauces and there's 2 of them, which of these 5 sauces do not, and I repeat, do not use a roux as a thickener? All right. Like I said, there's different other thickness for sauces, but a roux isn't one of them. Once again, 5 sauces: bechamel, velouté, espagnole, tomato, hollandaise sauce. Which 2 do not use a roux as a thickener for the sauce? All right. And what else can I add? I'll see you tomorrow. This was quiz number 26 from Guelph, Ontario, Canada. My name is Steve Nicole. Have a great day. Bye-bye.